Our bodies are intricate machines, relying on a delicate balance of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients to function at their best. Among these essential elements, iodine often gets overlooked. Don't let its trace amounts fool you. Iodine plays a monumental role in maintaining overall health and well-being. Think of iodine as a tiny element with a mighty impact. It's crucial for the production of thyroid hormones, which act as conductors orchestrating your metabolism, growth, and development from head to toe. Without enough iodine, our bodies simply cannot function optimally. Imagine a car sputtering and stalling due to a lack of fuel. That's what happens to our bodies without sufficient iodine. From regulating body temperature to supporting cognitive function, iodine is involved in a surprising number of vital processes. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve deeper into the remarkable benefits of iodine, explore its best food sources, and understand the implications of its deficiency and excess. By the end, you'll have a newfound appreciation for this unsung hero of health. The thyroid gland, a small butterfly-shaped organ in the neck, takes center stage when we talk about iodine. Why? Because iodine is an essential component of thyroid hormones, namely thyroxine, or T4, and triiodothyronine, or T3. These hormones are like messengers that travel throughout the body, influencing the metabolism of almost every cell. They regulate energy production, protein synthesis, and the way our bodies use oxygen. Without enough iodine, the thyroid gland can't produce enough hormones, leading to a condition called hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism can manifest in a range of symptoms, from fatigue and weight gain to dry skin and hair loss. In severe cases, it can even lead to developmental delays in children. On the other hand, excessive thyroid hormone production, known as hyperthyroidism, can also occur, leading to symptoms like rapid heartbeat, weight loss, and anxiety. Maintaining adequate iodine intake is crucial for ensuring the thyroid gland functions properly and produces the right amount of hormones, keeping our metabolism humming along smoothly. While iodine's role in thyroid health is well established, its importance extends far beyond this one gland. Emerging research suggests that iodine plays a vital role in various other bodily functions, impacting everything from cognitive development to immune health. Studies show that iodine is crucial for brain development, particularly during pregnancy and infancy. Adequate iodine intake during these critical periods is linked to improved cognitive function, better motor skills, and higher IQ scores in children. Furthermore, iodine exhibits potent antimicrobial properties. It acts as a natural disinfectant, helping the body fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. This makes it a valuable player in supporting immune health and protecting us from infections. Moreover, some studies suggest that iodine may play a role in promoting healthy breast tissue and reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. While more research is needed in these areas, the evidence so far highlights the wide-reaching impact of iodine on our overall health and well-being. Fueling up on iodine and your dietary guide. The good news is that incorporating enough iodine into your diet is relatively simple. Several foods naturally contain this essential mineral, making it easy to meet your daily requirements through a balanced diet. Seafood is undoubtedly a star player when it comes to iodine content. Seaweed, fish, especially cod, tuna, and haddock, and shellfish are all excellent sources. Dairy products including milk, yogurt, and cheese also contribute to iodine intake, thanks to iodine-containing sanitizers used in dairy farming. Iodized salt is another significant source of iodine in many parts of the world. However, it's important to note that not all salt is iodized, so always check the label to be sure. Additionally, many processed foods may contain iodized salt, but it's always best to focus on whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. Iodine deficiency may be a silent threat. In the past, iodine deficiency was a significant public health concern, leading to widespread cases of goiter, a condition where the thyroid gland becomes enlarged. Thankfully, the introduction of iodized salt has dramatically reduced the prevalence of goiter in many countries. However, iodine deficiency still affects a significant portion of the global population, particularly in regions where iodized salt is not widely available or consumed. Pregnant women and infants are particularly vulnerable to the effects of iodine deficiency, which can have irreversible consequences on fetal and infant development. Common symptoms of iodine deficiency include fatigue, weight gain, dry skin, hair loss, and feeling cold. In severe cases, it can lead to goiter, hypothyroidism, and developmental delays in children. If you suspect you may be deficient in iodine, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. Striking the right balance with iodine intake and your health. Just as iodine deficiency can have adverse effects, excessive iodine consumption can also pose health risks. Consuming extremely high levels of iodine can lead to a condition called iodine-induced hyperthyroidism, which can cause symptoms like rapid heartbeat, weight loss, and anxiety. The recommended daily intake of iodine varies depending on age, gender, and life stage. For adults, the recommended daily intake is 150 micrograms, while pregnant and breastfeeding women require slightly higher amounts. It's always best to obtain nutrients from whole food sources whenever possible. However, if you're concerned about your iodine intake, your healthcare provider can help determine if you need to supplement and recommend the appropriate dosage. Remember, maintaining optimal health is all about balance. By understanding the importance of iodine, its sources, and the risks associated with its deficiency and excess, you can make informed decisions to support your overall well-being. As always, consulting with your healthcare provider is crucial for personalized advice tailored to your individual needs.